Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch locked Twitch streams. So if you're hoping there's a hidden trick to unlock restricted Twitch streams, then here's the truth. Locked Twitch streams cannot be legitimately viewed unless you meet the streamer's access requirements. Some streams are restricted to the subscribers, while others may be limited by region, account status, or special events. You need to avoid using websites or browser extensions that claim they can unlock Twitch streams for free, since many are scams or may compromise your accounts. And if the stream requires a subscription, subscribing to the channel is the only official way to gain access. And if it's a regional or technical issue, then you need to check the streamer's announcement or Twitch's help resource for more information. So that's the truth about watching locked Twitch streams. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.